Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. Adaptogens are a fascinating collection of herbs that are known to improve overall health, help the body cope with stressful situations, and alleviate anxiety. Organic Adaptogen Tea is a blend of 6 adaptogens and is the perfect herbal choice for anyone looking to improve wellness from head to toe. Goji berries are often celebrated as a potent adaptogen. These vibrant red berries are rich in antioxidants which protect cells from damage and support a healthy immune system. Known for their ability to balance the body's energy, goji berries can help combat fatigue and enhance physical stamina. Additionally, they support mental clarity and mood stability, making them a great ally in managing stress and promoting emotional well-being. With their anti-inflammatory properties, goji berries also contribute to healthier skin and may aid in reducing the signs of aging. Holy basil is a powerful herb that helps the body cope with stress by regulating cortisol levels, thereby promoting a calm and balanced mind. Its antioxidant properties protect against oxidative stress, supporting the immune system and enhancing resilience. Holy basil is also known for its anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation and support joint and cardiovascular health. Additionally, it aids in improving energy levels and mental clarity, making it easier to stay focused and alert throughout the day. Ashwagandha is particularly effective at reducing stress and anxiety by balancing cortisol levels, helping you feel more centered and at ease. Known for boosting your energy and stamina, ashwagandha enhances physical performance and aids in quicker recovery after exercise. Its antioxidant-rich profile helps protect cells from damage, strengthening the immune system and promoting long-term health. Additionally, ashwagandha is recognized for its ability to sharpen cognitive functions such as memory and concentration. Schisandra berries are known for their ability to enhance mental clarity and improve focus, making them a great ally for those seeking to boost cognitive performance. Schisandra also supports the body's natural energy levels, promoting sustained vitality throughout the day. With its rich antioxidant content, these berries help protect the body from oxidative stress, contributing to a stronger immune system and better overall health. Additionally, Schisandra is valued for its ability to support liver function, aiding in detoxification and promoting a clear, healthy complexion. Shatavari is a revered adaptogen that is known for its ability to balance hormones, supporting reproductive health and alleviating symptoms of hormonal imbalances. Shatavari also helps the body manage stress by promoting emotional stability and a sense of calm. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties protect against cellular damage and support a healthy immune system. Additionally, Shatavari enhances energy levels and vitality, making it a great choice for those looking to maintain their physical endurance. Gotu kola is renowned for its ability to enhance cognitive function, improving memory, focus, and mental clarity. It also supports the body's response to stress, helping to promote a calm and balanced state of mind. Gotu kola is rich in antioxidants, which protect against oxidative damage and contribute to healthier skin, making it a popular choice for maintaining a youthful complexion. Additionally, this herb supports circulation and cardiovascular health, which can boost energy levels and physical endurance. For this week's recipe, we are making adaptogenic boba tea. To begin this simple recipe, steep 2 teaspoons of organic adaptogenic tea leaves for at least 6 minutes. Then add your tapioca pearls, ice, and any extra sweetener you would like. Top it off with coconut milk, stir, and enjoy. Thank you for joining us for this week's edition of our Tea of the Week series. We hope you enjoyed learning about the outstanding benefits of our organic adaptogen tea. We'd love to hear about your experiences with organic adaptogen tea and any of our other offerings. Please share your thoughts in the comments or on our socials. Happy steeping!